today is our 4th annual Fill a Luas campaign in conjunction with Luas Transdev. This is the 4th year we've been in operation. What we do is we fill the Luas full of presents for people that are living in emergency accommodation, people that are in direct provision, and I suppose those that are a little bit less fortunate than us that are living around the city at the moment. We've been here since 7 AM this morning, we're here till 7 o'clock tonight. The target is 20,000 shoeboxes onto the tram today. That was the target last year. We met it, we'll probably exceed it this year, and the platform's been pretty busy all morning. We've got people that are coming along from schools, from youth clubs, from businesses. We've minibuses pulling up with people outside on the line at the moment, so it's an absolutely amazing day here today. And we've had to change the demographic of people that we target in this campaign. We had people who's predominantly a rough sleeper and people that were rough sleeping. In the 4 years we've been in operation, we've had 463% increase in children and child homelessness. So today is all about children. Santa is down here, the grotto is set up, there's presents for children as they arrive down and they come off the platform. You know, the numbers are going up, and it's clear year on year that the numbers, and month on month that the numbers are going up. What we don't seem to be doing from a governmental point of view is making headway in regard to social housing bills. Now look, this is not going to solve the problem, we know that, but what we're trying to do is bring some Christmas spirit back into people that are living in hotels, B&Bs, family hubs around the country, and show them some compassion. So